Hello, let's dive into the world of statistics, and this is the first of a series of videos on statistics in educational research. I request that you share this video. The very first point a beginning researcher needs to know is the distinction that is made between descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. Knowing the difference between the two presupposes knowing the difference between a sample and a population. The distinction between a sample and a population is captured in the following example. Just imagine there is a researcher who intends to investigate anxiety among Moroccan EFL learners. Theoretically, our intention is to reach out to every single individual who can be identified as a Moroccan EFL learner. There are thousands, if not tens of thousands. Of course, obviously, it is highly unlikely for a researcher to reach out to every single case called Moroccan EFL learner. So the Moroccan EFL learners in the country are referred to as the population of the study. So in the absence of this possibility of reaching out to every single individual, that is to say, to the population, there is another solution. The solution is to select a representative number of these people making up this population. For example, a researcher intending to investigate anxiety among Moroccan EFL learners can make use of 100 or 200 students. These supposedly represent Moroccan EFL learners. So these 100 or 200 are referred to as the sample of the study. What we actually work on is the sample. So the first difference to remember about the distinction between descriptive statistics and inferential statistics is that descriptive statistics targets the sample, while inferential statistics targets the population. So sample, descriptive statistics, population, inferential statistics. So this is the first thing to remember about descriptive statistics. It only provides us with information about the sample. It helps us organize the data so that we can clearly see categories and trends and tendencies in the data by means of, for example, graphs like the pie chart, the histogram, the bar chart, and so on and so forth. In the form of tables, for example, when you have, for example, age, gender, and then you have numbers there, you can still see the trend in your data. And of course, this can be done numerically. There are measures that we use to talk about the homogeneity of the data. These are called measures of central tendency, and the measures that inform us about how widespread the points are in a given data set. These are referred to as measures of variability. The next videos will be on these two measures. Descriptive statistics can also make use of frequencies, percentages, for example. So all these measures and all these graphs help us clearly see the type of data we have, the characteristics of our data. So descriptive statistics helps us organize and visualize and see the patterns in our data. That's all that it does. There are equally 2 points to remember about inferential statistics. Point 1, inferential statistics is a branch of statistics that is concerned with the population. So we are no longer in the characteristics of the sample. That's the job of descriptive statistics. The job of inferential statistics is to predict the characteristics of the population. How? Based on the characteristics of the sample. How? There are certain techniques that will be explained again in the videos to come. Thank you very much.